Namaste. Welcome to our day 2 30-day challenge. Let's start with some concentration technique, bringing yourself into the present, even though we don't have much time, but let's use this time to become aware of your body for a moment. See how your body is feeling, and even though you might be feeling chaos in your mind, all the thoughts of doing, just calm down for this moment. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, become present. And then gently open your eyes and go into cat pose. Remove the stiffness, morning stiffness, by doing this asana. As you inhale, stretch your back. As you exhale, try bring your chin towards the chest. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Back to the center. Then inhale, lift the right arm towards the ceiling. And as you exhale, thread the needle, bring the hand under on the ground, side of the head on the ground. Stay. Let your back be a bit more stretched and twisted. And push with your hand. Come back to the cat. Lift left arm up, inhale. And as you exhale, thread the needle. Back to the cat. And tuck your toes, go into downward dog. And stretch your legs. Push your chest towards the ground. Hips towards the sky. And back to the cat. 5 seconds. Going back to the downward dog. Once again, stretch the leg one at a time, and you will see that this time it may be easier. And you can stretch even deeper this time. Shoulders relaxed, chest towards the ground. And back to the cat. Back to the downward dog. And stretch, see how easier the third time becomes. and suddenly you can realize that even you have only 5 to 10 minutes, still these movements can be done, which will be very helpful throughout the day. And back to the cat. Then let's work on to the core. As you inhale, lift your right arm up, left leg back, balance. Down. Repeat the other side, left arm, right leg. Down. Inhale, right hand, left leg. Down. Left hand, right leg. Down. Then let's do last rotation of the knee. So working on the hips. Other way around. Other side. Other way around. That's good. And you're ready for your work. Go into child pose. Let's cut down any stress or anxiety you have and give another just 30 seconds for you to prepare in your mind for your daily routine and work. Gently come back up. Thanks in prayer pose. Namaste.